YouTube, how are you? Welcome back to Style with Nina. Today's video is going to be, as you can see, there's a big old Christmas tree behind me. So I'm finally bringing you guys along with me as I style my tree for this holiday season. So this video is going to be 7 things to do to style your tree for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks again. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do when styling your tree is you want to make sure that you fluff the tree. So what do I mean when I say fluff the tree? You want to go through the entire tree and you want to fluff it and, you know, pull all the branches apart. Make sure there's not too many spaces. You want to pull the branches apart. So the second thing you want to do when you are styling your tree to make it fabulous is you want to, what I do is I fill the tree. So you want to look at your tree, and if you see any huge gaps, you want to take things to fill the tree. So like right here, that's a huge gap. Y'all see that? So what I do is I'll take and I'll put that in there. And what I'm doing, you guys, because I can't move the camera, so what I'm doing is I'm wrapping the branch around the middle part of the tree, so that it looks like it's a part of the tree, if that makes any sense. Okay. And that's what's so good about these tree fillers, that you can just stick. So you just stick the branch in there. I see another huge gap right here. I just stick it in. Hopefully y'all can see me. And then I just take and I wrap the limb around it. That. And you really want to take your time and make sure that you're filling the tree, because once you start the next process, it's going to be hard to do that because you'll be knocking all the decorations down. Another thing, you guys, I'm trying to be cute, but you want to wear long sleeve clothing when you are styling your tree, because the branches are very, 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 very sharp. So yeah, I'm getting battle wounds doing this, but listen. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you up close exactly what a tree filler is. There are all kinds of tree fillers. You can get various different ones. This one just happens to have like a branch on the end that I can maneuver and bend. But Hobby Lobby sells these, Walmart, anyone who sells Christmas decorations will have this tree filler. This one is a little bit more, I don't want to say pricey, but it's because it has, the more items is on the filler, the more expensive it's going to be. I've had these for years. I actually use this on all three of my trees, you know, depending on which one needs to be filled or not. So again, I just wanted to give you an up close on what I'm talking about. And so I'm taking this bottom part and I'm wrapping it in the middle of the tree so that it looks like it is a part of the tree. Okay, stay tuned for the next step. Okay, you guys, so the third step in styling your tree would be to flock your tree or frock your tree. I think it's called flocking. Flocking, frocking. Spraying fake snow on your tree is what we're going to do. So this, of course, you don't have to do this step. I like to spray just a little bit. I don't like to overdo it because it's kind of messy, so you want to make sure you shake the can up real good. And then I stand far away and do that. This stuff is so messy. You guys, I worry about the back of the tree, of course, later, because you just want to make sure that you're flocking and even decorating the part of the tree that can actually be seen, so that if you run out of something, you can still keep going. So the fourth step, and this again is optional, is this is the time that you would actually add ribbon to your tree. The way I ribbon the tree, I don't go around in circles. I think that that's, you know, that's just not my style. So what I do is and so I'm ribboning. I am, what's the word, you guys? I am adding ribbon to the tree in more of a sporadic zigzag motion. And what you want to do is you want to find a gap and you want to make the ribbon look like it is a part of the tree. So what I do is I find gaps like it's a part of the tree. What I'm going to do is stop you guys because I need to let this flocking dry. And then we'll come back to this step. Or maybe I can keep going. But you want to make it look like it's a part of the tree. This is supposed to have wire in it, but it's not looking too good to me. And so, does this tree really need the ribbon? No, but because I'm trying to add this color in, okay, you guys, so the fourth step is you want to add your tree topper. This is what I do. I don't actually put it on there. I place it on there just to kind of see if it's giving me the dimension that I need, you guys. And so, I kind of like it. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, you guys, so the next step is going to be actually filling the tree with the ornaments. So I am going to definitely speed that whole part up. And yeah, stay tuned. Step number 6 is going to be to add your tree skirt. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm adding the tree skirt. Step number 7 is to sit and admire your beautiful creation. Wow. Whoa. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, who did the tree? Did you do the tree? No, I did the tree. Okay, you guys, I'm going to insert a close-up of the actual tree. I'm going to stop here for today. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. And again, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. So hey YouTube, this is a close-up of the final look of the tree. I think it turned out great. I don't know how I feel about the tree skirt yet, you guys, but listen, we're gonna see. And then the chairs, I'm waiting on pillows for that. But yeah, I hope you learned some great tips on how to style your tree. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.